doing? What do you want to do? Go play. Why do I have to walk down in the yard right now? Maybe I don't feel like it. Liesel, do not dig there. She never shuts up. Okay, she'll spin. I got a little bit of something going on here with these two. Get out of the garden. Here's a being a good girl, Nugs. Go play your game. Go play your game, Nuggy. Go play, Spunky. Oh, heavens to Murgatroyd. Play your game, Spunky. Play Rocky. You play Rocky. See her looking away from Tippy, I guess. Who's giving you the evil eye, Nug? Is it Tippy? Liesel's gonna get in trouble here for barking from Isaac. Here it comes. No one else is allowed to bark at anyone looking by. Tell her, Tippy. Tell him, Eyes. You tell him about it. Look how calm everyone is. See this? Now watch. Oh, here he comes. Yep, she's not allowed to bark. Good job, Isaac. You tell her. Tell her, Eyes. She really wants to go bark at someone. He's not gonna let her. Liesel. She's like, alright, I'll chase my tail. I can't dig. I can't bark at people. I'll just chase my tail. Poor Liesel. I'll watch. Everyone's being good. See this? Now watch. Get up here. Watch. Everyone's gonna go psycho. This is Miles. Tell her, Noggy. Go get your eggie, Tippy. She wants Spunky's ball, don't she? Isaac's disciplining Tippy with a brick. Get your ball in your mouth, Eyes. Doing some herding. Herding her mom. Ah! Liesel. No digging. Ah, Nuggy. We're not digging there. Nope, nope, nope. I already filled that hole once. Nope. If we don't start getting rain, my garden's never gonna grow. My sunflowers are growing, but I got some weeding to do. Now my washing machine broke. I have another one my aunt and uncle got me, but it leaks. Isaac! No! Leave that alone, Isaac. He whacked his back leg with that big thing today. No! You're not playing with that. Leave it. Where's your ball? There's your ball. Over here's your ball. Let's get your ball. Over here. Over here's the ball. Get the ball. Right there's your ball. Here, Isaac. What's left of your ball? That's a good boy. You play with your ball. No. He's obsessed with rocks. Good boy. Here's your good boy. Leave it. Leave it. Come on, go play with someone else. She wants Jerry to play with. You want to go see Jerry? Huh? Lily? Lily? You do? No, wait. Liesel! Lily, I just told Liesel about that. Leave it. No dig. Get it. I'm going to get it. It's like, don't do that to me. They'll all chase me. I'm going to get it. Get it. Go.